Welcome to the show. I'm going to show you how to multiply content with AI so you can sit down and be lazy and let go boss. Why the hell do you care? Let me tell you. You're using ChatGPT, but you're not using it at scale. Let me show you how to use it at scale. I'm using Airtable to sort a lot of information. So first of all, in doing your Instagram or your Facebook or your LinkedIn, you have to have a brand kit. We'll talk about branding in a separate video. But here you have the brand kit, as you see here. Then you want to create a little content campaign series as a storytelling thing. So what I'm doing is I'm reintroducing my personal Instagram, slowly connecting it to this Let Go Boss AI automation community that I want to bring people in and then sell them automation. So what you're going to notice here in this tutorial to show you how to do that, I've created this layout of different inspirational posts. I was a bottleneck. I thought doing more was clever. Hell no, you're a control freak. So we started getting into different types of posts that you're going to create. But then how do you automate this? That's great. But I don't want to be doing this all day. Remember, Let Go Boss. So I created this Airtable that actually references different prompts. So first of all, I put in those images. I put in some context. And then I systemize everything because, you know, ChatGPT is my therapist. I actually told him what the prompts are around Instagram, how to talk, emojis, etc., what to avoid, writing styles. We can get into that later. Just leave a comment below. Also, how to generate this later on as a blog, etc. Then we use the brand voice for each of Insert Fuel or Let Go Boss or even Bassimusili. We talked about the aspirations, the origin story, the mindset, and then about me, my kids, etc. So if we want to make something personal and relatable. Lastly, I have different call to actions like, comment, subscribe, call, join community, etc. So then what the content creator does is it references all those systematically because you can't just reference Claude, which is my favorite writer, or ChatGPT, systematically unless you put it into an API so that we can link it to Loomly or Hootsuite or my favorite Metricool for content scheduling. So right here, you're going to say, okay, based on the name of the post and the context that we have there, create an Instagram caption or LinkedIn or Facebook community, whatever, based on this system prompt, based on the prompt guidelines, brand voice, and end with a call to action. And the results are fire. This can multiply your content so fast. I'll show you here what it generated. Well, I just say generate again with AI. So it's gonna be generated. And this happens automatically when you do a Zapier or a Make. I prefer Make because of the updates that it does more asynchronously. You're gonna see it created something really compelling that says, I was the bottleneck, but now I'm the breakthrough. We can full screen this a little bit. And it says, for years, I thought being involved in every decision was blah, blah, blah. And this is awesome. It's just based on a cover image that I gave it and some context in my brand guidelines. I was addicted to being right, this and that, and this and that. And I told it to break it up like this and then comment unblock below if you're ready to stop being the bottleneck in your own success journey. We do comment automation follow-up that invites them to the community. So this is top of the funnel. Then you get into consideration, weekly coaching calls, etc. So what's awesome about this is you can source it from anything, from a design you did or inspiration. I'll show you that later where you get a post sneakily from another colleague that's done great and then reformat that into your own brand voice guidelines and call to action or Fathom or Firefly's meeting notes. And I'll show you that in a separate video. If you like this, comment below. Let go boss.